Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I need to wet my face. It is Sunday, and it is time for a shave. Today's shave soap is going to be by Crowne Crane, and this is Cognac and Cubans. Now, this particular soap, I'm not going to lie to you, I've been a little disappointed with it ever since I got it, because I enjoy the tobacco scents, and really all I'm picking up is more of the cognac scent. So if you like a alcohol-y type scent, this soap will be just for you. If you're looking for tobacco's scent, don't get it. All right, so I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And even though it's whipped up and it makes a nice lather, you will still not find the tobacco scent. And it just may be my nose, because I did contact the company and asked them, I said, maybe I got a bad batch, or, is it just a lightly scented soap? And they assured me that they thought it was heavily scented with a tobacco scent. So, I don't know. I reach for it every now and again to try to give it more love. And my sniffer tells me the same thing every time. The first time. Okay, so today's razor is going to be the PAA Artifact, and I would like to say thank you, Robert, for sending me this. I had thought about picking this up for quite some time. He offered it to me, and I want to say thank you. Now, this particular razor is a nice shaver, and I have seen a few people say that it has a little bit more blade feel to it, and I think I know why, because most razors are not built like aircraft or spaceships, and so the tolerances are not the tightest they can be. And I'll put a little clip right here of what I'm talking about. This is going to be kind of difficult to film, but if you look at this corner, if you're getting a little bit of blade feel, you may want to check the alignment on this blade before you tighten the handle down. All right, so I do have my Gillette Silver Blue already loaded, and I checked the alignment on it to make sure it's equal. Now, one of the things I'll tell you, if you're shaving with it and you notice like one side feels a little smoother, and then when you turn it to this side, it feels a little rougher, you may want to check that. So that's what I found with it, and I feel like it's a little bit more than the mild shave that most of the PAA razors give. And so it is right up my alley. Still a little on the, I'll say, closer to the medium side, but still on the mild side. I do have 2 days worth of growth. And with this blade combo, very nice, very nice. And did I tell you, pass number 1 with the green? I've tried sharp blades, I've tried moderate blades. But I have not tried the Strangelet blade or the Vashkod blade in this razor, and I don't think I will be. Oh yeah, I was worried that this handle would be kind of slippery, but for whatever reason, the material that it's made out of actually has grip to it, because it's smooth. And I thought, if your fingers get wet, it's just going to be very slippery. Now, if you had oil, like a shave oil or a pre-shave oil, that it may be slick at that point. But if you just have a little bit of soap, I don't think it'd be any issue, or water. Get lathered up here for pass number 2. Could have added maybe a little bit more water with this soap. It's pretty nice. All right. Pass number 2 across the grain. The Dobie is in the other room, and she's being good for now. Imagine that. I figured she'd come walking in here and want to smell my soap. She enjoys doing that. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. And I'm going to be using the Stirling Unscented Glacial, since I don't have any matching splash. Oh, you know what? I need to break out the old ice tube. Here we go. Oh yeah, if you have issues with your neck area, this is definitely something you should try. Definitely. And my wife is up today, so I'm a little distracted. Need to grab the old star jelly while I'm at it. All right. Get a little bit of that aftershave splash. Love that Glacial. Love it. And to top that off, I'll grab the star jelly that you saw me grab. All right, that's going to be the shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend.